Do you know what the most expensive thing in America is? It isn't housing, and it isn't healthcare. It's your compliance. We wake up, we drink the coffee, we sit in traffic on the I-95 or the 405. We trade 5 days of misery for 2 days of freedom. We do this because we think retirement is a destination at age 65. But what if retirement wasn't an age? What if it was just a math equation? Today, I'm going to show you a financial roadmap I call the 5-year wealth curve. This isn't about getting rich overnight with crypto or lottery tickets. It's about understanding the physics of money. It's a strategy divided into 3 specific phases: the grind, the shift, and the escape. By the end of this video, you'll see why most people quit right before the magic happens, and how you can compress decades of saving into just 5 intense years. The problem with linear thinking. The biggest lie we are told about the stock market is that it's too slow. You put money in your 401k or brokerage account, and it feels like watching paint dry. Here's the reality. Money growth is exponential, but human patience is linear. We want results now, but compounding delivers results later. Most Americans invest for a year, see the market dip or trade sideways, and say, "This doesn't work." They pull their cash to buy a new truck or a vacation. They kill the seed before it becomes a tree. The 5-year curve is designed to hack your psychology. You need to survive the first 2 years to enjoy the next 3. Let's break it down. Phase 1, the silent grind, years 1 and 2. The first phase is what I call the silent grind. This covers year 1 and year 2. If you are starting from zero, this is the hardest part. You are cutting expenses. You're skipping the $7 lattes and the Uber Eats. You are dumping $500, $1,000, or $2,000 a month into the S&P 500 or a solid dividend ETF. And the result? Almost nothing. You check your portfolio after 12 months, and maybe you made $300 in profit. You think, "I suffered all year for this." This is the valley of death for investors. This is where 90% of people quit. They don't realize that in these first 2 years, your money isn't supposed to make you rich yet. Your money is trying to build a foundation. In phase 1, you aren't an investor, you are a saver. You are buying shares that will pay you for the rest of your life. You have to change your identity. You are no longer a consumer, you are an accumulator of assets. If you can survive the silence of the first 2 years, you earn the right to enter phase 2. Phase 2, the velocity shift, years 3 and 4. Welcome to years 3 and 4. This is the velocity shift. Something weird happens here. The math starts to get heavy. The interest you earned in the first 2 years starts generating its own interest. Let's say you've been consistent. Suddenly, on a good market day, your portfolio might jump up by $500. That's a whole day's salary for many people, earned while you were sleeping. This is the moment your money starts working as hard as you do. But this phase has a trap. I call it the lifestyle trap. You see a balance of $20,000 or $40,000 and you feel rich. You think, "I can afford that down payment on a luxury car now." Do not touch it. If you withdraw now, you are stopping a freight train right as it's getting up to speed. You have to let the dividends reinvest. You have to let the capital gains stack. You are building momentum. Phase 3, escape velocity, year 5 plus. If you stay disciplined, you hit year 5, escape velocity. This is where the curve goes vertical. In this phase, your annual returns, just the growth, might eventually exceed your annual contribution. Imagine putting in $10,000 of your own labor, but the market gives you $12,000 in growth. That is the tipping point. That is when work becomes optional. Freedom isn't about having a Ferrari. Freedom is waking up on a Tuesday and realizing that your assets cover your rent. It's knowing that if your boss fires you, you'll be fine. The 5-year wealth curve isn't a guarantee that you'll be a millionaire in 60 months. But it is a guarantee that you will be light years ahead of everyone else who is still waiting for someday to start. The action plan and outro. So, how do you start? Pick your vehicle. Broad market index funds, like VOO or VTI, or dividend growth ETFs, like SCHD. Keep it simple. Automate the pain. Set up auto deposits the day after payday. Don't rely on willpower. Willpower fails, systems don't. Commit to the timeline. Give me 5 years. Write the date down on a piece of paper. Don't judge your results after 6 months. Judge them after 60 months. If you are ready to stop renting your time and start owning your freedom, smash that like button and subscribe to Wealthery. We decode the math of wealth every single week. Let me know in the comments, are you in Phase 1, the grind, Phase 2, velocity, or Phase 3, escape? I'll see you in the next video. Keep building.